Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this super cute, super sexy blonde in the front and regular 1B in the back hair color, and the curls are, well, I'm not going to really show the curls. This video is more so about the dye job, but yeah, that's what I'm going to be showing y'all in this video, so stay tuned if you want to see how I got my hair to look this bomb. This hair is from a company called ISHOW Hair. They sent me a closure, 20-inch closure, 22, 24, and 26, but I did end up cutting the hair off camera in this video to make it a smidge shorter, because I feel like with big curly hair like this it should be like a little bit shorter. This is Peruvian Bodywave hair, and yeah, I'm in love with it. It took very well to the dye. I used 40 volume developer to dye this. It came out like golden gingery, and I'm really in love with it. If you want to see how I got it to look like this, then just keep watching. Okay, so when I cut my bangs, I always part like a small triangle in the front of my hair. So I'm just parting it out, and I'm literally just kind of eyeballing it. Also, as you can see, the hair is parted in the middle part to make it easier, you know, to get it even on both sides. And like I said earlier, I use 40 volume developer to mix it together, but as you can see, I was doing this with absolutely no gloves. I would not recommend this at all, because you are touching bleach, and this bleach can definitely harm your skin. It can make it lighter, it can burn. So yeah, just make sure you use gloves. I didn't really get hurt from this, but use gloves. So what I'm doing is pretty simple and self-explanatory, really. All I'm doing is spreading the bleach along the two parts that I parted out. I'm trying to make sure to be really careful not to touch the rest of the black hair, but I'm gonna put the dye or the bleach on here, and then I'm gonna wrap it up with, and what this does is it kind of, or I don't really know exactly, but it pretty much makes the process go faster. So I put the foil on there and left it for maybe about 30 minutes. Now I'm about to take it out and rinse it off. So I actually ended up curling it and pinning it off camera. I just put the wig on. It's not glued down or anything. I'm just literally about to take out all of these clips. So I hope the background lights are not too distracting, but this is how it looks. Obviously I have to brush the curls out, which I'm about to do right now. I wanted to use kind of like a Y2 comb, but honestly I don't feel like getting up to get it, so. So I actually just went and cut the hair. It was a little bit longer, but I just cut it a little bit shorter. I just feel like with kind of like big curls, when the hair is really long, it just looks too like fake and wiggy in my opinion. I really like this look. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.